So guys, welcome back. I don't know, I don't even know where to start from. You all, it's been a while. I admit it's been a while. This is roughly a month since I've been here, since I moved here, and I'm so grateful to God for this space, in the sense that it was just like, it's just God, if that makes sense, because it was just like a 10 minute plan. Though I've always wanted to move out from my former place, in the sense that I didn't have like enough space. I've always wanted space. My work has always made me want more space, so I had to look for somewhere else, and I am grateful to God that I got this space. So guys, yeah, welcome to a new space with me. I am grateful to God for it, and this is just one amazing thing, in the sense that I was literally able to create the vibe that I've always longed for, I've always desired, and that's giving like more of like an aesthetic vibe, more of like a YouTuber vibe, if that makes sense. So I am grateful to God for that, because now I can boldly create content without thinking about my background, without thinking about, oh, what angle should I give you guys. So I'm so grateful to God for this space. If you watched my last vlog, I only showed you guys like the cleaning process, the arranging process, and it wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't because I was trying to go to school, then come back early to literally like organize my stuffs. I didn't really like arrange this entire place, not until like recently, and I was able to even like do one or two things before showing you guys what my room currently looks like. Classes was choked up. I'm in my finals, so my project, my seminar, all was just like very, they are hectic even up to now. But I'm grateful to God for this space, because now I feel like, yes, I've done justice to this room in the way that I've always desired my room to look like, if that makes sense. So I am currently grateful to God. And that's literally it, guys. This is actually the tea behind this whole movement stuff. Yeah, I was having issues with light at my former place, so I had to actually like look for another place. Right now, I'm grateful. That's all that I feel right now. I'm grateful to God. I am happy for my new space. I am grateful to God. So once again, welcome guys to my new space where we'll be creating lots of amazing content. So you definitely want to stick with me, you definitely want to stick with my channel. So that is literally it, guys. I'm super happy, but I know there are a lot of stuff, not a lot, but there are a few things that I would want to get to also spice up this room. So maybe I'll show you guys in a vlog, but I don't think I want to do another video like this for my room. I think because I haven't gotten something for my bags, so I want to get this transparent wall hook for my bags, and then maybe do one or two changes, and that's literally it for this room. So that's actually it. If I'm going to do any stuff, you guys will see it in my vlog. So if you haven't watched my last vlog, I'll put the link up here, so you go watch that vlog. So that's literally it, guys. I think I'm not missing anything. So once again, welcome to my space. Period. Welcome to my space, guys. I'm grateful to God Almighty. So that's literally it, and I will see you guys in my next one. If it's your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And that is literally it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.